Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, to gain or increase height, yoga is especially helpful. Friends, yoga stretches your entire body and promote height growth. Regular practice of yoga improves your posture, reduces stress and relax you as it releases growth hormones which increase your height normally. So here I am sharing some amazing and specific yoga therapies which will help you in height growth. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy. For that, you need to sit on your mat comfortably first. Relax your whole body and your breath with deep inhale. Slowly exhale. The first yoga therapy is Bhujangasana. For that, lie down on your mat on your stomach. First, relax your body. Now take the position for Bhujangasana. Palms near to your chest, like this. Now with inhale, raise your head, your chest up. Stay in this position minimum 15 seconds and then release your breath and get relaxed. In a day, minimum 5 times, maximum 10 times, do this practice, do this yoga therapy for increased height. Now one more time with me. Inhale, raise your chest, your head up, stay in this position minimum 15 seconds and then exhale, come back. Inhale, stay here minimum 15 seconds, hold your breath, relax. Feel the stretch on your spine. This yoga asana stretch your whole body. Inhale, stay here 15 seconds minimum. Exhale, relax your body. After 5 times, release the posture. Relax your body and relax your breath. Now, the second yoga therapy. For that, sit any crossed leg posture. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now take the position. The second yoga therapy is Parvatasana. For that, take a Namaskar mudra like this, near to your chest between. Now with inhale, raise your both hands, both arms up like this. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, stretch your whole body towards upside. Stay here minimum 20 seconds or as much as you can. After that, with exhale, come back. Inhale. Stretch your whole body towards upside. Relax. With exhale, come back. These yoga therapies are helpful in height growth. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch your entire body. Exhale, relax. Minimum 10 times in a day, maximum as much as you can practice this yoga therapy. Exhale. Now release the posture. Relax your breath, relax your whole body. So friends, do this yoga therapy regularly and get positive results. I hope you like my content. Namaste. Take care and be connected.